Hey, on today's video, this is gonna be one for all you lazy asses out there. Cause we're doing biscuits with sausage gravy on a Weber kettle. The easy way for you, and a little for me too. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. So on today's video, we're gonna be doing biscuits and sausage gravy the easy way on a Weber kettle. The thought behind this is, hey man, I get it, you're out camping. You don't drag around a pound of flour with you everywhere you go. And your little, what is the little thing called, a bacon fat? The little chub of bacon fat? Your little cantener that you got at the house? I don't know what it's called. I got one at the house.
You do?
Yeah, I don't drag it around, no.
What is it, 1850?
Yeah,
you got a
I
tub
save
of
all my
bacon
bacon
fat?
grease. Oh yeah, save it all.
I'm shocked.
So, what we're gonna be doing, you see me do it before, you're gonna see me do it again. Biscuits on the Weber kettle. Then we're gonna fry up some sausage, and then we're gonna make some, not homemade gravy, it's not homemade. The thought behind this is, if you're out camping, you know, grab a packet of gravy. This is Shawnee Mills. This is an Oklahoma company, made in Oklahoma. I love supporting other small businesses in Oklahoma, so this is what we're gonna do. So let's just jump right on into it. Oh, and by the way, for all the people going down in the comments right now going, no self-respecting guy would ever make biscuits and gravy without homemade gravy. Save it. Save it. Just stop right now. Because the truth of the matter is if I gave you my homemade gravy recipe, you probably wouldn't make it anyway. But it is good. But this is quick and easy. Like I said, this is for if you're going camping, you know, you can drag this around. These three things right here. So we're gonna get our biscuits going first. And this is just spray butter, just the cheap stuff. And this is a family favorite. Wouldn't you say, Wes?
Absolutely.
These are the flaky biscuits too. I think I'm gonna pack them in here a little bit tight. I haven't done that before. We'll go, 8 of them. So we're just gonna put them right there. Put the lid on. I'm gonna choke it down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just to try to kind of keep that heat just surrounded, all around it. All around it. Is that surrounded, all around it a word?
Surrounded.
No, we're not gonna, no, that's how regular people talk. This is redneck.
We're
gonna do the heat all around it. No, that's quick.
Convection?
Convection, yeah. That would be, oh yeah, that's convection. That's redneck convection. Heat all around it.
Redneck convection.
There you go.
Good talk.
You heard it here first. All right, so this is the peppered country gravy. Only the finest here. Only the finest. And we have a half a cup of water.
That's a whole cup.
That's a whole cup?
Yep.
It's a half a cup of water now. So we'll just dump that in there. We're just reading the directions, keeping it simple. Simple biscuits and gravy, smoked. So my plan is we'll cook the sausage, add a cup and a half of milk to the sausage, get it all heated up, dump this in. I'm sure it'll thicken it. God knows what they use to thicken it. I'm sure there's baking powder or something in there, baking soda. You thicken it with baking soda, right?
I think so. Or cornstarch.
Cornstarch? Yeah, cornstarch, yeah. All right, so that's my plan. Oh yeah, look at them suckers. Not even stuck either. That's what I'm talking about. This is a way to make biscuits right here, man. All right, so we're just gonna get these covered up. Move these right over here to the side. Wes was grabbing some shots, so I went on ahead and threw the cast iron skillet on the cooker, start heating up. So, all right, so we're gonna get our sausage put on. We're kind of running out of heat on the cooker, but that's okay. If we have to add more charcoal, we will. But I think we got enough in there, so let's go do it. Once again, we got the trusty skillet, and I just slice the end of these. Just squeeze it out. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna get it covered and let her start cooking. Oh yeah. So this is the part where it's probably, I don't know, man. Never done this, but we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna take a cup and a half of 2% milk. A cup and a half, right, Wes?
Yep. That's what we told him.
Heat the milk up, and then we'll add our slurry. Is that what we call it?
Our concentrate.
Our concentrate. Okay. So we'll heat this up. All right. So here it is. This is the true test. This is going to be a lot of sausage in the gravy, but that's okay. We're just going to add our slurry and pray it works. Oh yeah, man, I left the grease in there too. That looks so good. Yeah, we're going to have to add some more milk here. Get my hand going.
It's happening in real time here.
Not too much. I don't want to get it too thin. It's got an orange tint to it.
We like that.
It's branding.
It's gonna say we like that.
So leave me a comment down below. How do you guys like your gravy? Thick or thin? Thick or thin? I love these biscuits. Let's just build us a little pile right here. What do you say?
Pyramid.
Yeah. Little pyramid of biscuits.
A little shrine.
Little biscuit shrine. Here we go. Now we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of SPG on it. That's what I'm talking about. Just a little bit. Not too much. Not too much. Just a little bit. And that, my friends, is how you make sausage biscuit gravy.
Biscuits and sausage gravy.
Biscuits and sausage gravy on the Weber kettle. You've seen it here first. Using packet gravy. All right, so let's just jump right in and taste it. I'm gonna tell you right now, I put this gravy against anybody's homemade gravy, even mine. That right there, my friends, is a legit biscuits and sausage gravy that you should never be ashamed to cook for you and your people. Well, hey man, I want to thank you for watching, and as always, come on man, come join the Kosmo family. Jump on Team Kosmo. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!